What's up, everybody, and welcome back to another math puzzle. In this one, the question is as follows. Add one set of parentheses to make the following equation true. So right now we have 5 plus 9 divided by 2 times 4 minus 7 is equal to 21. And with the order of operations, what we currently have is 9 divided by 2, which is 4.5, times 4, which is 18, plus 5 is 23, minus 7 is 16, not 21. Hit that pause button and see if you can figure it out. When you're ready, hit play and I'll give you the explanation. So we need to add parentheses to change the order of operations. We kind of have two options. We could put them here or here, but the one that's gonna work is at the front. If I quarantine these two and do these first, we got 5 plus 9, which is 14. Next, we go left to right with the division and multiplication. 14 divided by 2 would be 7. 7 times 4 is 28. And last but not least, 28 minus 7 is 21. That's how you do it. Done. I hope you guys enjoyed this math puzzle, and if you did, please click that like button. If you want to see more math puzzles on the regular, make sure to click subscribe. Thank you guys so much for joining. We'll see you in the next video. Take it easy.